Anti-static, choose Tronovo. Today, we will introduce the operating method of the Tronovo powerful ion air gun. This air gun requires a dedicated ion power supply. The operating steps are as follows. Securely connect the 8mm air hose to the air inlet of the air gun. Connect the high voltage cable connector of the air gun to the corresponding interface on the ion power supply. After confirming that the connections are correct, turn on the ion power supply to begin using the air gun. The entire connection process is simple and quick. Once completed, the air gun will output a stable and powerful ionized airflow.